Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I want to show you guys this quick template that I came up. Oh my Jesus, I should have did my edges. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I want to show you guys this quick template that I came up with. This is for the 5-pack of gum. Just a small gum. This is just a label that I just hurried up, put together, and did so that I could come on here and show you guys what it looks like. And of course, I ran this through my sticker machine. It's just regular printer paper, nothing special. Now, I did put the tape over it to get that glossy shine to it, as you see. If you keep watching the video, then I will, of course, show you how I just added this on here. It's very simple, but the measurements and the template will be on my Patreon page. The link will be in the description box. Y'all, it's time for me to take this out for real. Yeah, I just wanted to come on here. It's the end of the month. It's the end of the month. Who cares, right? This is what you look like at the end of the month. You be fresh at the beginning. It is what it is. I'll see you guys. Okay, so right now I'm about to go ahead and just put my sticker onto the gum. As you can see, I ran it through my sticker machine after I printed it. Go ahead and toss that to the side, but you can put this on with what? Glue, tape, whatever you have, you can use. I'm going to try to do this as best as I can. Because it's not like I can see the other side. But it's on there now. I'm pretty much just going to roll it on itself, I guess. That's pretty much it.